Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim daily gift in Subway Surfers. Claiming daily gifts help you progress faster, unlock characters, and enjoy more in-game perks. First of all, launch your Subway Surfers game on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your game account. Once the game loads from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the calendar icon on the left-hand side. From here, you can go ahead and claim your daily login. Click on the claim button in green if available, and then you'll be able to claim your daily reward. You can also claim your missing rewards by watching an ad or spending keys. Your claimed items will be added to your inventory or balance. You can use them for upgrades, boosts, or unlocking new characters. Make sure to make a habit to claim your daily gift every day for maximum rewards. Missing a day may reset your streak in some versions, so try to log in daily. So that's how you can easily claim daily gift in Subway Surfers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.